provided or well-arranged systematic arrangement of learning potential, the person is likely to touch the moonlight and grow so dramatically. Luckily, based on the very sophisticated background in manipulation of many micro-features that most of teachers right now have been donated with, most of students know what they're supposed to do and know where they will be ending by studying and focusing on the field that they have been involved. Now you tell me about the major ones you have studied and whether or not that was something that you feel triumph in. Were you successful in your field?
I think I am successful in my field because I have liked my field a lot.
خب در جملات اولیه مثلا در جمله اول هیچ جمله توجیهی با because of یا جملات از این قبیل نداشته باشیم. خب بفرمایید.
And I will be doing in my field in another country or in foreign country from next few years because
دوباره جمله توجیه این برخواسته از تفکر